Hi everyone, my name is Gigi and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe, like and share. And for today's project, we are going to turn this porridge jar into this beautiful flower vase. So let's begin our project. We're going to spray paint this jar. It's a bit windy outside, so I have to move down to the floor because I don't want to make a mess, because at the end of the day I'm going to be the one who's going to clean it. So anyway, just spray paint the whole jar with the white paint. Just keep going until it all covered up with paint. And after I spray paint this, I have to let it dry for like half an hour. And now it's dry. I've cut this contact paper. I had this contact paper for a very long time. I found it and I just cut it. And now I'm trying to remove the seal. What I'm doing now is I have to put this carefully. As you can see, I wasn't so careful, so I have to take it out. Because if you just drop in, I should have done it slowly, because if you put it, just drop it, it's gonna be wrinkly or it creates bubbles and it doesn't look so good. It looks like really it's just a stick in paper or cut in how do you call that, cut in printed paper. Because the look that I wanted for this is like it's like embossed into the jar. So as you can see, it's better this way instead of have some wrinkly or bubbles inside. So now I have to put another one so that it's balanced with both sides. As you can see, this is a very easy project. And if you couldn't find this kind of contact paper, you can just use any wrapping paper as long as you can find some nice printed one. I really like this one, but I couldn't find this kind of contact paper anymore. I had this for a very long time. You see, you have to be very careful and do it slowly. You just have to be very careful. This kind of projects, you have to do it slowly, especially putting this contact paper. I mean, I'm sure you can experience this once you use contact paper. Now it's done. See, it's nice and plain, not wrinkly. See, and I have this little flower that is over, what's that, exists, not over exists. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Anyway, it's like exists from that cut contact paper. I just cut it off and it's just sticking everywhere because I really don't want to waste anything. When I do project, I make sure I try to make good use of every little bit. You see, to make it more like natural. Yeah. Yes, it's done. Just have to put all the bits and pieces, and it's a very, very easy job. Everyone can do this kind of project. Again, the reason why I'm doing all this is just to encourage, people out there to recycle. Now it's done. Let's put some water, flour. I got this plastic flowers. I use a lot of plastic flowers anyway. At least you can keep them for a very long time. I just put some kind of newspaper inside because my flowers are very short and this one is a little bit deep. Therefore, I have to put newspaper or any kind of thing that fill up your jar. I'm not really good in arranging flower, to be honest. So just bear with me. Let's do this together. Let's try to arrange the flower. I think it's a little bit crowded, I mean, in my opinion. So what I did is I took off all the white flowers and just leave the pink one. What do you think? And which do you prefer? Please comment down below which one is better. Is it with the white flowers or simply just the pink one? Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye.